Hey, are you new to affiliate marketing, or maybe you already have a business, but you haven't been doing email marketing? You've just been doing maybe stuff on social media. Well, hey, if you're looking for some good software to start doing your email campaign, hey, look no further than right here at AWeber, because this is some great software. Not only is it user friendly, but their customer service is hands down 5-star. If you get stuck and you're looking, for somebody to call and maybe walk you through something, AWeber is the people you want to do it, because they're great. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. So let's get back to the software at hand, which is AWeber. It's great software. You're not going to go wrong with this stuff, because you can grow your list. And if you're a Canva fan, it's built in, so you can be working on your email campaign and putting pictures and stuff in there in AWeber and never leave AWeber. I mean, they have templates to save time. You can create your email templates using your website or Facebook. They have a lot of high quality free images, if you want to use theirs. Or like I said, if you want to use Canva, you can do it, or you can log in and use your own stuff. I'm telling you, you ain't going to go wrong with using AWeber. Just for the ease of dragging and dropping, of getting stuff in there, it's hands down probably the best out there. Once you get your stuff set up, you can get you maybe 6, 7, 8, maybe 10 emails, and then you can set them up for, to be on autopilot, basically, where you can set them up, hourly, which it's probably a little too much. You'd probably want to do it maybe every couple of days, or you can do it weekly. It's whatever, you wanted to do, you can do it. You can get more blog traffic, YouTube views, podcast downloads, from your emails. I mean, it's amazing what you can do with an email list. And keep in mind, your email list is yours. If you're growing a list, remember, that's yours. If you're on social media, let's just say you got 10,000 followers on, say, one of the social media platforms. Well, what happens if you make a mistake and you get your site shut down? Well, guess what? All your followers are gone. But your email list, as long as you have them in your email list, and you keep it updated, and you're sending them emails, like maybe you're running a special, or hey, you're trying to sell them something, as long as you got them in your email list, doesn't matter if you get banned on one of those other platforms. Hey, because you still got them, you can still send them stuff, promotions and that kind of stuff. You can do split testing, A/B testing, on what works, what doesn't work with your email stuff. I mean, I'm telling you, AWeber's got it going on. But their customer service, I just can't talk enough about it, because I've used them a lot when I first started, just for the simple fact that it's new, and you're trying to do something different or new, and you're not exactly sure how to do it, and you don't want to waste a bunch of time trying to figure it out. All you gotta do is call them. I'm telling you, you're not going to be on the phone more than 5 minutes, I guarantee you, because they'll walk you right through it, and then you're off to the races. I mean, I'm telling you, they're great. And you can also sign up for free, and they have tools. You can connect. The tools are already, that you already use. You can use like WordPress, Facebook, PayPal, Shopify, all this stuff that maybe you're already using, and now you want to, apply it to an email campaign. They got it all right here. You can't go wrong with this. Can't go wrong. Pricing, you're not going to go wrong with pricing. Pricing's pretty good. they have unlimited. I highly recommend, a lot of people do it monthly. Maybe you're on tight budget, but I would highly recommend, because right now you see this stuff right here, that's all monthly. But if you do it annually, you're going to save some money, and that's what you want to do. You want to save some money. And, but right here is a free one if you're just starting off, and you got, say, up to 500 users basically, or subscribers. You can use this one if you're just starting out. Maybe you don't have one and you want to try it out. Get the free one. Hey, why not? Get the free one, use it, and and see what I mean. Because I guarantee you're gonna want to move up. Because and that depends on how big your email list. You may either their most popular one is the plus. And you can look right here, and it'll tell you. Let's just say you got 500 to 25, or 501 to 2500. The price goes up a little bit according to how many users you have. But and if more users you have, a little bit more it's going to cost. But but your benefits go up too. So just keep that in mind. You're not going to go wrong. Because you can use it for storage, your emails. You got landing pages. You got list building. Run all your reports. You got AWeber e-commerce. So if you're trying to do a store, you can track sales and that kind of stuff. If if you have like a Shopify and that kind of stuff, it'll help you track it with your e-commerce stuff. I mean, it's great little software for the money and for the price. And like I said, if you're new and you're just not 100% sure how to do stuff, or you don't understand, maybe you've been doing everything but email. You've been doing the social media. You've been doing, maybe you have a Shopify store, but now you want to do more with emails because you see the benefit of it. Because like I said, your email list is yours. Nobody can block you from that. That's your list. And even if you get them here and you decide later on you want to change to a different software, you just take your list with you, or you can, if you're already using some software and you want to migrate it over to AWeber, they can walk you through that too. But I'm telling you, you ain't going to go wrong with AWeber, because it's hard to find customer service like AWeber, because I'm a huge fan, because nobody knows how to do everything. And sometimes you just want to do something a little bit different, but you don't want to spend hours or mess something else up that you've already done. And sometimes you just want to pick up the phone, call somebody, and spend a couple minutes on the phone explaining to them what you have, what you want to do next, and what's the easiest way to do it. AWeber, I'm telling you, hands down, their customer service is unbeatable. It's unbeatable. But hey, just remember, this is some good software for emails and stuff. So don't hesitate to reach out, talk to them. I'll leave a link down in the description if you're interested. But try the free version. If you just want to get your big toe in there and see what it's like, and because I guarantee you're not going to go wrong. Because like I said, I just can't say enough about their customer service. Customer service is one thing to me that sells a product, because when you do have a hiccup or something, you want to talk to somebody. You want to talk to somebody then. You don't want to be talking to somebody on the email because it's aggravating. So, but just give them a try, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you next week.